आमिर सर्च इंस्टीट्यूट एंड क्वांटम एकेडमी के हर सेक्शन में एक्सेप्शनल रिजल्ट्स उन्हीं के बच्चों की जबानी सुनिए।
I am Isha Hussain Ahmed.
My name is Salman Anis Qazi.
Myself, Mohammad Afan Tabriz.
My name is Iqra Amina Sayyid.
Myself, Mir Abdullah Firoz.
I got selected for MBBS at RGMC Kalwa.
And I have scored 91% in SSC board exams 2025.
I secured third rank in Standard 8 in Dosti Foundation School.
I scored 93% in class 2.
I secured third rank in class 9 in Dr. Asadullah Khan English High School.
आंध्र प्रदेश के वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी मंदिर में भगदड़, 9 श्रद्धालुओं की मौत, कई घायल। मैं रुमेला कामदार, हिंदुस्तानी रिपोर्टर में आपका स्वागत है। आंध्र प्रदेश के श्रीकाकुलम जिले के काशीबुग्गा गांव में स्थित वेंकटेश्वर मंदिर में आज के दिन एक बड़ा हादसा हो गया। एकादशी के मौके पर दर्शन के लिए श्रद्धालुओं की उमड़ी भारी भीड़। इस भारी भीड़ में एक हड़कंप मच गई और इस हड़कंप में कम से कम 9 श्रद्धालुओं की मौत हो गई और अन्य लोग घायल हुए। बताया जा रहा है कि मंदिर में एक ही रास्ते से प्रवेश और निकास होने के कारण भीड़ का भाव अचानक से बढ़ा और एक लोहे की रेलिंग टूटने से अफरा तफरी मच गई। यह मंदिर निजी प्रबंधन के अधीन था और प्रशासन की ओर से उचित व्यवस्था न होने पर यह भगदड़ मच गई और उस वक्त मंदिर में हजारों लोग मौजूद थे। मृतकों में 8 महिला और एक बच्चा शामिल था। इस पूरे मामले को लेकर पुलिस ने क्या जानकारी दी, सुनिए।
పడిపోయిన లోపల ఉన్నారా?
Sam.
అందరూ కూడా చాలా మంది అందరూ బయట
గేట్ వరకు వెళ్తాను, అక్కడ నుంచి గేట్ లోనికి వెళ్ళాను సార్. గేట్ అది చూడండి, కావాలంటే గేట్ గేట్ వరకు వెళ్తాను, అది తీసుకోండి. గేట్ ఎక్కడ లోనికి వెళ్ళాలి. సరే సరే ఒకసారి గోడ వరకు వెళ్తాను. ఓకేనా ఓకేనా.
In Kashibuga PS limits, today one unfortunate incident happened where there are total 9 people have lost their lives, 8 female and 1 boy. So the incident was due to there was a queue line where entry and exit was same queue line was used, and that iron grill which was there, it got collapsed, and the height of that steps was around 7 feet. So the public fell from 7 feet to the ground. So because of that, this incident has happened. It's a private temple where a private person has constructed in his private land, and he hasn't taken any permissions also, and he hasn't informed about today's program to the local police also. Yeah.
Sir, local police has not get any information that more people coming to there and visit?
No. In the morning, once we got the information, we have sent the force, but it was too late by then because there was no prior information from the private, the temple person who was organizing this program. So because of that, there was no communication yesterday or today also. Once we got the information, we have sent it. Now the situation is totally peaceful and under control.
Sir, approximately how many people were there?
Around 3,000, around 3,000, 3,500.
Now what about the treatment? How many are in getting?
No, only 2 are in severe condition. All rest are fine. 9 people have died.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.